Hello from this beautiful rocky nudist beach in Björnö, Björkvik in Värmdö. Yes, it is 25th of September 2025 and currently it is 4:15 p.m. and I'm so blessed to be here and exploring Värmdö once again at this nudist beach. As you can see, it is so amazing on these cliffs with lots of greenery overall and very scenic indeed. So the day is getting shorter and it's gonna be sunset in around 2 hours and 20 minutes approximately, but the sun is going fast downwards. We have been having sun all day long, and earlier today I was at Stora Sand at the beautiful sandy beach that's only around 2.5 kilometers away from here. This beach spot is tagged as a nudist beach spot on the Scandinavian Turistportalen, as it is a nudist beach per se. But now during these autumn months any beach can be a nudist beach because there is basically no people on the beaches, but this is actually a one. And this beach here is not so far from central Stockholm, so there are frequent buses here that go to Slussen, and it takes around between 40 to 50 minutes depending on the line and the time of the day, obviously, as if it is during rush hour it can be quite longer trip. The water is amazing and so beautiful. Look at the color of the water. The sea that we are seeing here is an open sea, and we have currently 16 degrees Celsius in the air and it is around 15 degrees in the water as I measured earlier, not so far away from here, and I don't think to measure once again because the sea doesn't shifts that often in temperatures. And yes, yet another beach adventure with Chris from this scenic spot over here. Yes, let's then hit the waters and enjoy a nice swim while I'll show you more of this beautiful nudist beach. One of my favorite, I would say, as it is on the sea, obviously, and due to the structure of the rock formation here that we have. When it is here a bit more windy, it is also a bit more difficult to get into the water, but not today, as we have mostly calm sea and very nice weather overall for being a late September day. So let's then get going and enjoy. Wow, just wow, look at the water. It feels so surreal to be having a swim this late in the year in the Baltic Sea, but 15 degrees it's quite decent, so I would not complain at all. Okay, so we are ready for a swim in the sea at this nudist beach spot, Björnö, Björkvik, a nudist beach that it's called. So ready, set, and go! Amazing, beautiful, beautiful. Oh, this is so refreshing and so nice. This is life. And with the best sunset view, as this beach is facing west, it's definitely perfect spot to enjoy a nice and chill dip in the sea. So earlier today I swam already 3 times 10 minutes at Stora Sand, and yeah, I'm gonna be chilling here on these beautiful cliffs, and yeah, that is a wrap then from this nudist beach spot. Once again, I show you on my channel. I have been here several times before. And with that said, thank you so much for watching this episode with me from Björnö, Bjorkvik, Nudist beach. And I'm gonna see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel. Beach Adventures with Chris!